Good morning and welcome to Equipment Remarketing. Today we're taking a look at a 2012 48 foot by 102 utility aluminum combo. Stock number 8927GG. We're going to do a quick walk around tour of this machine here, folks. And as you can see, it's got a nice aluminum headache rack with a chain attachment on back. As we can see, the deck on this unit is in phenomenal shape. Aluminum combo wood nail strip on it. Beautiful unit. As we can see on the underside here, this unit has been blasted, primed, and repainted. As we climb up underneath, you can see that all the cross members have been recoated and prepared for you. Kingpin plates nice and flat, ready to come work for you. As we come to the rear of the trailer, you're going to see some 225 steel refurbed rims on this 48 footer. Tire tread is virtually brand new, as you can see. Nice thick tread all the way around this unit. You can see that the drums and brakes on the front axle are virtually 90% or better. We come in here and we'll focus, same on the rear axle. Phenomenal condition brake system. Air tank in phenomenal shape. No air leaks on this unit. She's in great condition. As we get to the back, here's what makes this unique, folks. This is a universal mounting kit. Will carry a Princeton, Moffett, Load Mac, and many other brand lifts on the back end here. As we rotate around here, you can see a Moffett in the background. Take a look at 99lifts.com. You can see hundreds of Moffetts available for sale for you. We have Moffetts, Princetons, Manitous, and many other brands in stock. As we come back to the trailer, you can see the 225 reconditioned rims, matching tread all the way around. Almost brand new tires, phenomenal condition. This 48 footer comes with brand new straps for you. Has a large aluminum toolbox on it in phenomenal condition. Landing gear working with all the gears working. Raise and lower, great working condition unit. As we get to the front of the trailer, I just want to thank you for your time. This is Equipment Remarketing. Website is 99lifts.com. Give us a call at 260-238-4998.